Dear students, today we will continue the topic system of linear inequality. In the last video we have learned how to solve a linear inequality and show it graphically. Now in the system of linear inequality we are given more than one linear inequality and we need to show all of them in one graph, in one Cartesian plane, and we need to find its graphical solution. So one by one we draw this linear inequality on the graph. So what is the first equation? First inequality, that is x plus y is greater than or equal to 1. So first, whenever we are solving an inequality, to find graphical solution we will convert in linear equation. So we get x plus y equal to 1. Now make a tabulation and find at least 3 solutions. At least 3, you can find more than 3 but not less than 3. Put different values of x. When x is 0, y equal to 1. When y is 0, x equal to 1. After that I can take another value like when x equals to 2, y equal to, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay? If x equal to 4, this is minus 3 and so on. Now talk to second inequality. That is 3x plus 4y is less than 12. In order to find the solution of inequality, we need to convert in linear equation. हमें simply इसे linear equation में पहले convert करना है ताकि हम इस टाइप से solution find out कर सकें. तो हमें क्या मिल गया? 3x plus 4y equals to 12, or I can write y equals to 12 minus 3x upon 4. Now find its tabulation solution in tabulation form. That's why at least 3 points. Okay. Now when I'm putting x equal to 0, here, I got y equal to 3. Okay. And if I'm putting y equal to 0 here, I can check when y is 0, x equals to 4. Okay. Now put x equals to 1 or put 2, that is minus 6, and that will be, just try to find some integer value. Okay, always try to find some integer value. Suppose I'm putting 8, x equals to 8. When I'm putting 8, it will be minus 24, and that will be, here I'm not putting 4 because on the 4 it is already 0, that point I have taken. So when I'm putting 8, minus 24, minus 12 upon 4, that is minus 3. Okay. Now come to the third equation. That is x minus 2y is less than equal to 2. फर्स्ट इसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम लीनियर इक्वेशन में. x minus 2y equal to 2, or I can write that x equals to 2 plus 2y. So I got tabulation solution like this. X and y. Okay. When I'm putting y equal to 0, x will be equal to 2. When putting x equal to 0, y will be equal to minus 1. Okay. Now put y equal to 2. I will got x equal to 6. Okay. This we have solved all these three inequality. This we can mark directly. We know that x equal to 0 is y-axis and y equal to 0 means x-axis. Okay. So, if you wish to solve, you can find like this inequality number 4. So that is x is greater than equal to 0. It means x equal to 0. This means for any value of y, x will always be equal to 0. And here for fifth inequality, y greater than equal to 0, it means y equal to 0. It means y will always remain 0. X may be anything. There I have written in the reverse. Okay. Now we will represent this all inequalities. It means all these lines in xy plane or Cartesian plane. First of all, for first equation, linear equation, when x0, y1. Remember that point is 0, 1. Okay? x0, y1. Second point is 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, -1. Okay. Now we have marked 3 points. You need at least 3 points to find a line. Okay. Now look at there. Here we have greater than equal to both the signs. So this line we will mark like this. But if we don't have equal sign in given inequality like this, then the line will be marked in dotted format, because on that line we will not get solution. Okay. Now look at here. This line is dividing the plane in 2 parts. So maybe this part or maybe this part is our solution. For checking, it is very easy to check. At 0, 0 we can check 0, 0 point. Check here. At 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is greater than equal to 1 is false. Okay. It is false. It means this is not our solution. So this part will be our solution. Okay. Like this you can mark. Also with the pencil you can shade very lightly. For the second inequality, mark 0, 3, 4, 0, 8, -3. 0, 3, 0, 3, 4, 0, x0 and y, x4 and y0, and 8 and -3. At 8, this will be equal to -3 like this. Now, when we are drawing this line, remember that in this inequality we are having only less than sign. We don't have equal sign. So this line will be, we will meet like this in the dotted format. Draw this line in the dotted format. Use scale and pencil for the same, so we will get exact value. Okay. Now again this line is dividing this whole part. Now when we are talking about this line, this whole part will be first part and this whole part will be second part. Even this line is also come in the first part. Again it is easy to check at point 0, 0. Check at point 0, 0. Three times 0, 0 plus 0 is less than 12. That is true, right? It is true. It means this line will be this point will be our solution. So this side Okay, now draw third line. 2 0 0 minus 1, 2 0 0 minus 1, and 6 2. Okay, x is 6, y is 2. 1 2 3, these points are here. Try to mark this marking with the centimeter distance, so you will get exact line. Now since in this inequality we have equal side also, so we have marked a dark line. Now draw fourth inequality, that is x is greater than 0. We know that x is greater than 0 is your y-axis. You can either, if you want, you can make tabulation like this, x and y. Either I'm taking y is 1, x is 0, either taking y is 0, x is again 0, taking 3, 0. It means this is our this line. Okay, this line. Greater than, given that x is greater than 0, it means the value of x will be greater than 0. Now look at this. This line is dividing again Cartesian plane in two parts. Here the value of x is negative, and here the values of x is positive. It means x is greater than 0. It means we have positive value. So our solution will be in this side. We can again took any point from this part and put in the inequality. We can do also like this. Okay. Now the fifth inequality was y is greater than 0. That is, we know that this is x-axis, and y is greater than 0. This line is again dividing this whole part in whole Cartesian plane is two parts, upper part and lower part. In the upper part we have some positive value of y. In the lower part we have negative values of y. And in the question given that y is greater than 0, it means only positive value, upper part. Okay. Now you need to check on which part your all five inequalities are giving the solution. If I look on this part, look at here, this line is having solution on that side, this side. So on this side we cannot be have a solution. Okay, हमें सिंपली अब क्या करना है, हमें सिंपली वो पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना है जहाँ सारी की सारी 5 इनइक्वालिटी का सॉल्यूशन मिल रहा है. ऐसे नहीं कि वो पार्ट ले लिया जहाँ पे एक इनइक्वालिटी या दो इनइक्वालिटी का सॉल्यूशन है बट बाकी रिमेनिंग 1 2 इनइक्वालिटी का नहीं है. ऑल 5 इनइक्वालिटी का सॉल्यूशन उसी पार्ट में होना चाहिए. तो देखो जब हम इस पार्ट की बात करते हैं तो ये जो लाइन है वाई एक्सिस, इसका सॉल्यूशन इसके राइट हैंड साइड में है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में तो हमें है ही नहीं सॉल्यूशन इसका. तो इट मीन्स ये पार्ट तो हमें चेक करना ही नहीं, मतलब ही नहीं. अगेन एक्स एक्सिस के अबोव हमारा सॉल्यूशन है, बिलो तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन है ही नहीं. तो अगेन हम ये भी चेक नहीं करेंगे, ये भी चेक नहीं करेंगे. ये पार्ट चला गया. ठीक है. अब नाउ कम टू द दिस पार्ट. नाउ दिस, look at here, in this triangle this line is not having solution, right? So this is not useful, it is not useful. Now look at this. In this part this line is having solution, this line is also having solution in this direction, this is also having solution in this direction, and this direction this solution. What about this line? This line is having solution for this, that is 0 0 point. And check here at for 0 0 point, 0 0 minus 0 is less than 2. That is true. Okay, it means the 0 will be included in our solution. 0 हमारे सॉल्यूशन में होगा. तो इट मीन्स इस पार्ट में देखो चारों इनइक्वालिटी का सॉल्यूशन आ रहा है. वाई एक्सिस से आ रहा है, एक्स एक्सिस से आ रहा है. ये लाइन इसको सॉल्यूशन दे रही है, ये लाइन सॉल्यूशन दे रही है. बट ये जो लाइन है इसका सॉल्यूशन उस डायरेक्शन में है. इट मीन्स ये भी हमारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं हो सकता. हम यहाँ की बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली इस लाइन का सॉल्यूशन डायरेक्शन में है तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं हो सकता। इस साइड की बात करूँ, इस लाइन का सॉल्यूशन इसकी इस साइड में उस साइड में नहीं है तो ये पार्ट भी नहीं हो सकता, ये पार्ट भी नहीं है। ये टोटली ये जो एरिया है सिर्फ 1 2 3 4 5 पार्ट में था, ये ओनली पार्ट बचा है बिकॉज हमने चारों पार्ट चेक कर लिए। इस पार्ट में देखो वाई एक्सिस का सॉल्यूशन आ रहा है, एक्स एक्सिस से इसका सॉल्यूशन आ रहा है, ये लाइन भी इसी तरफ सॉल्यूशन दे रही है, ये लाइन अगेन इस तरह सॉल्यूशन दे रही है और ये लाइन भी इसी साइड सॉल्यूशन दे रही है। इट मीन्स इन दिस पार्ट, not here, okay, not here, not below the x axis, in this part we have complete solution. So this shaded part यहाँ तक, okay, fine, this shaded part is called our solution of system of linear inequalities. ये यहाँ पे बाउंडेड है और मे भी अनबाउंडेड हो सकता था। जब अगर हमें ये वाला पार्ट सॉल्यूशन में मिलता तो ऑब्वियस हमारा यहाँ पर इन्फिनाइट पॉइंट्स हैं, ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे भी इन्फिनाइट पॉइंट्स हैं, बट यहाँ पर ये अनबाउंडेड है, ये कहीं जाके फिनिश नहीं हो रहा, एंड पॉइंट नहीं मिल रहा है कि सॉल्यूशन कहाँ तक है। इट मीन्स ये जो सॉल्यूशन है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अनबाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड बाउंडेड सॉल्यूशन। और मे बी समटाइम इट कुड बी हैपन कि हमारे पास अगर फिफ्थ पार्ट भी ऐसा होता कि ऑल 5 पार्ट्स का इनइक्वालिटी का सॉल्यूशन यहाँ नहीं आ रहा है, इट मीन्स that will be called the condition of no solution. It means उस condition में जो system of linear inequality आपको given है उसका कोई solution exist करता ही नहीं है। Okay students?